Hi, I'm Lynn. Thanks for watching my video. Today, I'm going to help you improve your English speaking and pronunciation by reading English out loud. This is a very helpful video, so keep watching. You might think that it's hard to practice English when there's no one to talk to, but there is a really helpful way to practice your English even if you're by yourself, and it's by reading out loud. You can take a book, an article, a poem, even a song, and not only read it, but read it out loud. This is something that will help you not only get new vocabulary, but it will greatly improve your pronunciation and your conversation ability. This is something that I have instructed many of my students to do. And always, if they read out loud every day, I can see a huge improvement in not only their fluency, but their conversation ability and pronunciation. And this is something that is very simple to do by yourself. Choose something that you want to read it, and read it out loud every day, and you will be surprised how fast you improve. It's a great tip, so I really think you should try it. Reading out loud each day might not seem like the best way to improve your English, but it's something very simple that you can do, and I know you guys can do it. So remember, learning English is hard work, but if you try a little bit, even something simple like reading out loud every day, you're going to see an improvement. I know you guys can do it. Thanks for watching. Tell me about your experience reading out loud in the comments. Tell me what kinds of things you read and what improvement you've seen. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.